Mastering idioms. Understanding, being all thumbs. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fun and interesting English idiom, being all thumbs. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to be all thumbs. First, let's break down the phrase. Being all thumbs is an idiom that means being clumsy or awkward in handling things. It's often used when someone has trouble with physical tasks that require finesse, like tying a knot or sewing. The imagery here is that if all your fingers were thumbs, it would be hard to perform delicate tasks. Remember, idioms are figurative, not literal. Now, let's take a brief look at where this phrase comes from. The origin of being all thumbs isn't completely clear, but it's believed to date back to at least the 16th century. It reflects the idea that thumbs are the least nimble of our fingers. Hence, using all thumbs would make tasks more difficult. Understanding the origin helps in remembering the meaning. Let's see how this idiom is used in everyday conversation. Imagine someone trying to thread a needle but keeps failing. A friend might say, "You seem to be all thumbs today." Or, if someone drops a glass and it shatters, they might laugh and say, "Oops, I'm all thumbs." These examples show the idiom in action, making it easier to understand and use. To use this idiom correctly, remember it's used in a light-hearted, often self-deprecating way. It's perfect for casual conversations and can add a humorous touch. Practice using being all thumbs when talking about small mistakes or clumsy moments. This will help you sound more natural and fluent in English. And that's our take on the idiom, being all thumbs. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is not only about expanding your vocabulary but also about getting a deeper insight into the culture and humor of the language. Keep practicing, and you'll be an idiom pro in no time. See you in our next video.